Anger is a powerful emotion many of us feel every day. It can change how we think and act quickly. Anger is a strong feeling of annoyance or upset. It happens when something feels unfair or wrong. A common mistake is confusing anger with hate. Anger is often temporary, while hate is more permanent. You can say feel anger, express anger, or control your anger. We also say anger towards someone or anger about something. She felt anger when her friend lied to her. Anger can cause people to shout or act quickly. It is important to control anger in difficult situations. One day, John lost his job and felt anger rise inside him. But he took a deep breath and decided to find a new path. Think of anger like a volcano. It builds up deep inside and can explode if not controlled. Remember, anger is normal but control is key. Practice using the word anger today.